Do your children struggle to understand math? Welcome to Math Lessons with My Pals Are Here, based on the world-famous Singapore math method. Here, students learn step by step, starting with the concrete. For example, imagine counting 5 real apples in your hands. That's concrete. Next, we move to the pictorial, where you see a drawing of those 5 apples on a page. Finally, we reach the abstract, where you simply see the number 5. This approach builds strong number sense, clear thinking, and confident problem solvers. Children don't just get the answer. They learn how and why it works. With My Pals Are Here, math becomes fun, logical, and stress-free. Thanks for watching.